Okay, let's gather some footage. Footage is good. Well, it's material. Yeah, I can almost see all of it. Almost. Yeah. Ah. Well, that's some fine control. Why doesn't it do it without the recording being on? It's kind of annoying. I guess it's on me, you know, not reading all of the manual. I don't know, hundreds of, not really pages, just links everywhere. Who would have funked it? Anyways. This is not video making, this is videography. The video is secondary to what I'm trying to do. And yes, I have spent more attention on the video stuff than the stuff that I actually want to do. It's never easy. I guess on the other hand, I can mumble to myself, and it's not just myself, assuming someone actually watches the video, if there is even a video. Who knows? So glue this, well, the idea is simple, 3 pegs, similar-ish length enough, have it at the 3 points, you know, just mechanically. It would be best to have a jig, obviously. Jigs are good. But then again, this should be... it's what? 2.5 centimeters? Yeah, it is actually 2.5 centimeters. So that's what? 1.25? That will be the middle. I mean, this will length, like this sidewise. This sidewise, well, it's longer, but it's 1.25, make it like as easy as that. Let's see. Let's get a nice and proper ruler, measure a thing. How exact do I want to be? I don't need to be very exact, so I'm still gonna get a square. I like squares. Squares are nice. So it's like 1.25. That's like 25 millimeters. 5. Okay, I can do that. 1, 2. Somewhere in the middle. Yeah, I know it gets finer. Gradation, tick marks, doesn't matter. This isn't like, fine enough anyway. Is my head in the view? If it is, I kind of apologize, but then I don't. Because this is videography, not making videos. 1, 2.5. So yeah, here. Yeah, well, then I have to lean into that. 11, 12. And I know I should double check myself, or perhaps triple check myself. In any case, it's actually 26, but you know, fine. I should have marked the sides, but 12.5. So let's try to check it. 12.5. Good enough. Also good enough. Good enough. Also good enough. Good enough. Also good enough. I think it's fine. So you have to start somewhere, and with the first piece, do you want to drill anything here? Like, do you want to drill so that I can, you know, like kind of seal this down? Probably not. And how accurate does it have to be? Not very, I guess. The question then will be how to transfer, like once I have all of those letters with pegs on the other side, for the connecting pieces, how am I going to transfer, like where the pegs actually stand out? Yeah, because I need to make like a joining pieces just to hold it together. But I think this is actually good because, whatever the discrepancies will be between like joining it here at the bottom and where it ends up at the end of it, I mean, that's what's going to matter for the joining piece. This part doesn't matter as long as it's like more or less like you can put it here and it just stands up, that's going to be fine. So hey, let's roll with it. What do I need for that? I need stuff. Okay. Fine by me. I'm not gonna be cleaning that. Probably not fine at this point. We already have 3 of those. Well, this is always useful. It's kind of like, how much can you break it even though you don't want to? A wee tiny bit. I have a feeling this is going to suck, like trying to do it like this. Okay, it's the first one, let's try it. Yeah. That doesn't bode well. What? Apologies. On the other hand, wait, it actually stands. Apologies again, and more apologies to come, but indeed. And that wasn't me. Okay, Jengi. Apologies, I have multiple things always going on. How it works here. It's 16 minutes. Okay, let's make this segment at this point. I guess. 2 thumbs up. We'll see. And yeah, videography is hard, and I think there's always a pressure of the camera being present. I mean, I've set it up here. Why should I feel any pressure? I don't, but I do. You see? A conundrum. Anyways, see you in the next cut.